Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. And today I am coming along with a swap that I received, and this one was a all gingerbread swap. Oh my goodness. And that one was hosted by Sela at Instagram. I'll link her down in the description below. My name was Anna, and Anna is actually um channels on YouTube is My Crafting World Designs, you guys. And actually, she has a storefront, so you guys should go over check it out. I will link her down in the description below. So I got this box Tuesday, I believe, Monday or Tuesday, and I tore into it, you guys. I totally tore into it. I was so excited to receive it. And yeah, so I didn't really look through it. I just like opened it and I was like, "Ooh, what is this?" So she did send me this, and of course it was all gingerbread. So, and then I also got this. I didn't open this. I was like, oh, okay, I can't wait to get to it. And then, let me see, I think that was it. And then as an extra gift, we did have to gift a $5 gift. And she sent me one of her, oh my goodness, one of her her dies. Oh my goodness. Anyways, so oh my goodness, thank you so much, Anna. And it's mycraftyworlddesigns.com, so you guys head over and check it out. And isn't this cute? Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So it looks like it's a little tote bag, and oh my goodness, can't wait to work with it. Thank you again, so excited for that. And then, so let me go ahead and go over to her creation. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Look at this flower. Look at these on the side. Look at, oh my goodness. I'm like, look at. But oh, you guys can see, and it says embellishments. We were supposed to make an embellishment book. So I love how she did that. And oh my goodness. So, oh wow. So I wonder if she has this actual in her storefront. Oh my goodness. Check it out. I haven't really gone over and checked it out, and this is her design from the inside. Oh my goodness, a beautiful, and she's tucked in some gingers on here on the side. Oh my goodness, look at how cute. And look at you guys, she put buttons. OMG, how cute is that? And then look at the little girl, it looks like a hula dress. Oh my goodness. And her little necklace right there. Oh, these are so cute. Love the little buttons. That is the cutest. I hope you guys can see. And love that little tuck spot right there. So I'm gonna put this, her and him like that. And then I believe there's something in here. Okay. Oh, awesome. So these are, I guess you can use this as tags. You can use them for oh my goodness, what is it called when you put a twine in it? How cute are these? Thank you so much for these die cuts. Oh, I love it. So making sure there's nothing in there. And then, oh my goodness, she did these. How cute are these? Oh my goodness, look at that. And they have a little heart. Oh, they are gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm not even going to open them. You guys can see what it looks like. Isn't that cute? And I believe she backed it up by some acetate. So awesome. There's two of them here. Oops, that keeps on falling off. And then right here on this one, she went ahead and put two cute mugs, chocolate, I guess chocolate or cocoa mugs. There you go. And oh my goodness, that is the cutest. Oh my goodness. And then this looks like it's all gingies in here. Awesome. I try not to put too much like gingy die cuts because I know a lot of people were gonna have die cuts, and I wasn't too sure what everybody has or what, so I was like, sometimes we all use the same, die cutter or die person or die, I know I'm a big chaos craft person, so yeah. So anyways, I'm just gonna put those here. Isn't that cute? That is the cutest. And then this, let me see if I can find a way to open this. Let me see if I could do this right here. So I'm probably just gonna open it one way. Let's see. Oh, I guess I can't open it. My kids are about to get home any minute, you guys. So if you guys start hearing noise like commotion, that's my kids. Oh, and she sent me these. Oh, how cute are these? Oh my goodness. I know this takes such a long time just to do the the wiring. Oh my goodness, aren't these cute, you guys? Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Anna, for being my partner. I hope you like what I sent you. I know she hasn't been doing videos, you know, and I'm not too sure if she put it up on Instagram yet. I haven't checked out. But yeah, go ahead and check her channel out. I didn't make a video because, you guys, it takes me longer to make a video instead of sending out the pack, or yeah, sending out the package and making a video takes longer than expected. So, oh, these are so cute. Thank you so much. Anyways, so go check out her channel. I'll link her down on YouTube and on Instagram, so you guys go check her out. And again, thank you, Anna, for being my partner. This was all amazing, beautiful. Love it. I love this. How cute does that say? And thank you again. I can't wait to try it out. And of course, I will make a video and show you guys. Anyways, we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.